How to delete Facebook account permanently and temporarily. Here's how you can manage your Facebook account. 1. Permanently delete your account. Click your profile picture in the top right of Facebook. Select Settings and Privacy, then click Settings. Click your Facebook information. Choose Delete Account, then follow the instructions to confirm. 2. Temporarily deactivate your account. Click your profile picture in the top right of Facebook. Select Settings and Privacy, then click Settings. Click Account Center at the top left of your screen. Under Account Settings, choose Personal Details. Click Account Ownership and Control, then select Deactivation or Deletion. Choose the account or profile you want to deactivate and select Deactivate Account. Remember, deactivating allows you to take a break and come back whenever you want, while permanent deletion is irreversible. Choose wisely. Learn more. 1. Deactivating and deleting your account. Facebook Help Center. https://web.facebook.com/help/154908788002686. 2. Permanently delete. Your Facebook account. Facebook Help Center. https://www